Mommy, or...
And I'm King.
Okay.
And we're doing some kids game, Jungle Slime Kit. And we gotta do instructions.
Okay. We're gonna set everything out.
So first, we're gonna set everything out.
Glitter.
And do glitter and other glitters, different glitters.
No. Keep it in the bag until we have the slime.
So we gotta keep these in the bag. Even though these balls are like kind of fun. Oh my gosh. I just literally
Tell them how old you are.
I'm 7.
What grade are you in?
And I am 2nd grade.
Okay.
But I made like a little mess. No, like a squat name.
A squad name?
Yes, like Kid Squat.
Well, I'm Beauty.
Yes, and I'm King Rose, and we are the kids. And we are the Kids Squad.
Got some glow-in-the-dark powder. So we actually gonna put this directly by the light.
And I'm gonna cut this.
We're gonna start cutting the slime. We just want to get all the slime out. Bruh. Got some utensils.
Okay, out. And let's see the slime.
Oh, King, look. We got some of these too.
Oh my god. This slime looks cool.
So for now, we're just gonna throw this down. We're gonna clean up after his room's already clean, so we're gonna have to clean again.
I'll do some glitter though.
Okay. What for the pink one? What kind of thing do you want to use?
For the green one.
I thought you said you wanted to do. All right, that's fine. I'll do this one, and then this one.
So do orange and yellow.
And I'm gonna do a yellow and a pink.
Oh, there it is.
Where?
Right there.
The slime bell.
I'm gonna shake this. Fine, guys. I dropped the slime. You know, this is lightish purple, orange, lightish yellow, lightish green, and dark purple. Green and blue and purple. And can you open these?
Yeah, just be careful.
So much glitter.
You gonna put green glitter in here?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I'm gonna open.
Coming out.
So I'm about to open one of my slimes. You need help?
You're not even opening.
You're right.
Not opening.
Oh. There. Just be gentle. You're gonna put that in there, so you gotta create a hole. Not a lot of glitter either. Put the top back on there.
I need some more glitter.
Oh, okay.
For this.
That's my head said. Just here, how about you put the slime in there? That's why we're doing it.
Idea.
You said it was a good idea.
Yeah, great idea.
Great idea. Okay, I'm about to make my slime. I'm actually gonna make a bigger slime. So I'm gonna take, we have 2 clears. So
you're gonna do clear ones?
yeah, and I'm gonna make like
So much glitter on me.
There's so much glitter on you. It's okay. You can wash your hands after. This one got like a pink tint. Yeah, that one's kind of got like a pink tint. Did you know you had these little things too? It's like little food items. So remember, we gotta warm it up in our hand. Remember? Gotta warm it up a bit. You gotta mix all that in there. Yeah, because it says how to mix slime accessories. With slime on a flat, clean surface plus accessories you want in the middle of the slime. Fold slime edges over your slime accessories and continue folding slime over and over. So, I'm going to have some...
What? But I'm going to have some of these.
I really don't like pink.
Why?
Can I have some gold glitter?
Yes, only a little bit.
You got to put a hole in it. It said on a flat, clean surface. So this is flat and clean. And you got to poke a hole like that a little bit. Create a indentation.
We do gotta make a hole. I forgot.
Yeah.
So let's make a hole.
Maybe this ain't good for me. I don't think I don't want to do that. I'm gonna actually do some of this.
But this one is so cool. Look at it.
Then I'm gonna do some glow in the dark powder.
I want to do some glow in the dark powder too.
Okay, are you done with this slime?
Yes.
You done? Okay,
Does it look cute though?
It looks nice. Yes, it does. So why don't you take one of your slime cups and place it in there since you're done?
Slime cups?
Yeah.
Oh.
So we can, you know.
Wait, I forgot we had slime cups.
So you don't have to leave the slime out.
Because it will be hard.
A big mess.
Yeah, and a big mess.
And it'll be hard.
And mess it up.
Alright, so I'm gonna fold and fold again. Press down and fold.
Look, I made my own slime.
You did. Okay. So we're done with that one?
Yes.
Okay. So this is King's first slime that he made. Green glitter. What do you have in here?
And
green glitter.
Things.
Big ball things. Big color balls.
Big color balls.
Okay.
Now I'm going to do this slime next.
And right now, I'm trying to make my slime.
Hold on, let me get some
glow in the dark powder.
Yes. It's so good.
Be careful. That's our dog.
What was that?
I had to tell him that was our dog.
That was our dog. We have 2 dogs.
They're not ours. We just kind of doggy sit the dog.
Yeah,
right?
Gizmo is our dog.
Yeah, Gizmo's kind of our dog.
But he's from Jamel's house.
King, say cheese.
Cheese.
Okay.
This one is nice.
Oh, look at my slime. I think I'm gonna actually add some glitter in here. But I want to add some blue glitter. It's okay, King. You just take a shower when we're done, okay?
Okay.
Alright. Let me know if you need help.
I need now.
You need some help.
Now. Yes, now.
Now you need help?
Yep, now.
Okay.
With this red glitter. Is that your slime?
Yeah, that's my slime.
You only make 3?
Hmm?
You only make 3?
3 what?
This.
Oh, so I forgot.
We got 3 cup slimes.
Yeah.
No, wait.
But I might have to.
No, wait. If we take this out.
I might have to.
And we're done with it, we can put it back in where it belongs.
Yeah. But I have to get like a Ziploc bag for mine because
Yours is weird.
I had made it big. I had combined 2 cups of slime together instead of 1 cup. I made 1 big slime. I think I need some more glow in the dark powder.
Hey!
It'll be enough for you, and we still have another one over there. There you go. Yours is gonna be nice. So probably for now, I'm gonna put mine's in like off to the side or something, because I know mine's won't be, unless I cut it in half, it won't be able to fit back in a cup. Sorry. Combine 2 of them. So fold it. Look. Fold it like this and press down.
So we got flattened up.
That's why I tell you to put the top on there. Put the top back on. So you don't spill the glitter. You're doing good. Okay. Here's my slime. I'm gonna keep mine in the light. So I'm gonna have to combine it into 2.
I want mine in the light.
So
it looks so pretty.
It does. It does.
And that's why we gotta make a camera. We gotta make like a channel.
A channel.
And we make it like a channel.
Okay, we'll figure out a name though. Okay?
What name?
For our channel.
Yes. It's Kid Squad.
No.
Yes.
Did you find that on YouTube?
No. I just
Oh, you said King Squad? That's a nice name.
Yeah,
King
yes.
Squad.
King Squad. Yes, King Squad.
Okay. So I'm gonna use one of these utensils to cut my slime.
Hold on, let me use this.
Here, can I use this one first and then you wait for me so I can cut my slime?
No, let me use something else.
Okay, my slime is in half. I'm gonna put it in here. Put the top over it. Put it in there. And put the top over it. So we have a total of King made 1 slime. And I made 2 glow-in-the-dark slimes. And King is working on, but look, he's working on his glow-in-the-dark slime.
I want to make 2 slimes.
That's your second slime right there. So remember I said, look, place it on the counter, press down and fold. Press down and fold. Press down and fold.
Press down.
So I'm gonna do a light blue now. A light blue. Can I see the scissors?
Yes. this is my second slime.
Look at that.
It's a glow-in-the-dark slime.
Got swirls in it.
Hold on, we should turn off the light.